Hey guys, welcome to the next installment of my glasses vlog. This is an update about Specs by Lux or Luxureyes. So first, just in case you're a new viewer, let me introduce you to the vlog. I am looking for affordable ways to change my glasses with my outfits. I wore the same glasses for 20 years and finally realized that I can, mix it up a little bit without breaking the bank. So that's the goal of this vlog. When I shop online, I use coupon codes, I use Wikibuy and Ebates and all those type of sites that help you get the best deals. There's a whole episode of this vlog dedicated to that, so definitely check that out. I have single vision, and I always get anti-glare, anti-reflective, and transitions or photochromic, so keep that in mind when I talk about prices. Lastly, I'm a big guy, so when I talk about sizes and you see it on me, know that this is a big head, this is a big dude, and so keep that in mind. So, I think this is the second or third video we've done about Luxureyes. So, there's a group on Facebook called Affordable Eyeglass Addicts that I administrate that's specifically for discussing this kind of stuff. And in fact, there are coupon codes specific to that group, so I highly recommend joining that group and getting the deals that are available there. But this company, Luxureyes, has a representative or an owner or something like that who posts in that group. And he's been very helpful and he's been very supportive and he's offered deals specifically to that group. So I bought quite a bit from them that I might not have bought otherwise. But also they have the best deal that I have found if you need to get lenses put in existing frames. If you already have a pair of frames and you want lenses put in them or you need your lenses updated, locally I think the cheapest I found was around $100 for my type of lenses. Online I think that was about the same. With the coupon codes, with Luxureyes or Specs by Lux, I can get them for about $50. So I found these wood frames on either eBay or Amazon. I can't remember where. And I thought, oh, those are so cool. I wonder if somebody can put lenses in them. And I took them to all the local stores, all the local labs, and they're like, well, we don't know how to deal with wood frames. And I finally found, what was it? It was one of the chains, but they had a guy in the lab who would try. And it was, if you go back to my first or second vlog, I told you which chain it was. Now I don't remember. It was one of the Spectrum, or I can't remember yet the name, but one of the big chains. And they put lenses in them, but they cost a fortune. They cost like $200-300, and they did not have photochromic. And so I just said, okay, I guess those won't have it. And then when I discovered Luxureyes, I offered to send these in and see if they could do it, and they did. They did a great job. So I've invested way too much money in these overall, but I finally got there. By the way, everything you get from them has these really nice leather cases, or at least faux leather, I can't tell the difference, which I don't need, so I'll be sending back to them. Hopefully they can disinfect and send to somebody else, because literally they only use them to ship the glasses to me in. And then I also got this as a bonus set of frames. This is something they picked out for me. I would not have picked this out myself. It's not my typical style, but I asked them to send me something that they would recommend, and they sent these. So this will be a nice day-to-day pair for me. Maybe not an on-stage pair or anything flashier, but something I can wear. So that's it for this video, and that's it until they get some more stuff and I place a bigger order. By the way, the shirt with the glasses on it came from Shop Typography, which is a friend of mine, so make sure you support her. And that's it. So we're all caught up on Specs by Lux or Luxureyes. But if I order from them again, I will do another vlog update. And I strongly encourage you to use them as your option for getting lenses put in stuff. If you find a pair of frames that are not prescription, or you need your prescription updated, they are the best I have found for that. So that is strongly encouraged. That is my recommendation. And if you have something else you like on their website, there's no reason not to get it. Their shipping times have definitely been, it's been tough during the pandemic, let's just put it that way. And so I assume they're back to normal now, but I don't know for sure. So, you know, just be patient like you would with any business right now. But otherwise, nothing but good things to say about them. So, that's it for this installment of the Glasses vlog.